Yes, the question here, integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to square root of 1 minus x square, integral 0 to square root of 1 minus x square minus y square, dz, dy, dx by square root of 1 minus x square minus y square minus z square. So in this question, we need to understand dz, dy, dx. So this x will come first, y second, third one is dz. So this is the first step what we have to do. Now I is equal to total integration, integral x is equal to 0 to 1, integral y is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus x square, integral z is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus x square minus y square. So dz, dy, dx by square root 1 minus x square minus y square minus z square. Yes, na? So we shall first integrate with respect to z. Okay, by treating xy are the constant now. So let us k is equal to square root of 1 minus x square minus y square. This is only for convenience. What we discussed, that you can mention as a k, sorry, z square you leave it. So 1 minus x square minus y square. Okay. Now how to write it? I is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1, integral y is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus x square. So integral z is equal to 0 to, here what we can write, square root of 1 minus x square minus y square we consider as a k. So k and dz by, so square root of this much is equal to k square. So k square minus z square square root. Okay. So that is dy dx will come. That next step what you can do, integral x is equal to 0 to 1, integral y is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus x square. Here, can you say the problem, integral 1 by square root of x square minus z square? What is the formula? What we studied? Sine inverse of z by x. Yes, na?
Yeah, yeah.
So z is equal to 0 to k dy dz. Yes. Still how to solve this? On the place of z, we are substituting k as well as 0. Yes, na? Now, here, if, sorry, this is not x, this is k, because k and z relation it is. Now, integral x is equal to 0 to 1, integral y is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus x square. Now substitute. So if you substitute k, sine inverse 1. Zero of dy dx it is. Dx. Yes, na? Next. Sine inverse 1. Can we write pi by 2? Can we write this is the way? So that is equal to pi by 2. Now here, upper limit minus lower limit if you do, integral x is equal to 0 to 1 square root of 1 minus x square into dx. Yes. Now, what we can say, integral square root of a square minus x square formula, x into square root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a by 2 sine inverse
A square
x
by
by
2.
a.
Sir, it is a square by 2.
Sorry, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Now on that case, I is equal to pi by 2 x into square root of 1 minus x square by 2 plus half sine inverse of x. So x is equal to 0 to 1. Fine. Pi by 2 of 0 plus half sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0, which is equal to pi by 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2, which is equal to pi square by 8. So finally I is equal to pi square by 8. Got it? Got it now? Any doubt in the stepwise?
No, no.
Yes. Can we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Now, integral 0 to a, integral 0 to x, integral 0 to x plus y, e power x plus y plus z into dz, dz dy dx. Now, can you say me how to write it?
Sir, e power x
First
plus y.
step, I is equal to, this one will come first. Yes, na? X is equal to 0 to a, next y value will come. Y is equal to 0 to x, integral z is equal to 0 to x plus y, e power x plus y
Into e power
plus
x plus z.
z. Yes, this is the first step. Now, dz should be integrate. But now here e power x plus y plus z is there. In this case, what we can do?
Then separate, sir. E power x plus y into e power x.
Yes, we can separate it. So, integral x is equal to 0 to a, integral y is equal to 0 to x, integral z is equal to 0 to x plus y, e power x plus y into e power z dz dy dx. Yes, na? Now, e power z we should be integrated. What we can get? Integral x is equal to 0 to a, integral y is equal to 0 to x, e power x plus y into e power z 0 to x plus y into dy dx. Now on that case, integral x is equal to 0 to a, integral y is equal to 0 to x, e power x plus y. If you do this integration, e power x plus y minus y 1 into dy dx. Fine. Now, integral x is equal to 0 to a, integral y is equal to 0 to x. Now we can say e power 2x into e power 2y minus e power x into e power y half dy dx. Fine.
Yeah.
Now that is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to a, e power 2x e power 2y by 2, y is equal to 0 to x minus e power x e power y, y is equal to 0 to x into dx.
Yes.
Correct. Now that is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to a power 2x by 2 into e power 2x minus 1 e power 0 minus e power x minus 1 into dx. So integral x is equal to 0 to e power 4x by 2 minus 3 by 2 e power 2x plus e power x into dx. So e power 4x by 8 minus 3 e power 2x by 4 plus e power x 0 to a, that is equal to e power 4x by 8 minus 3 e power 2a by 4 plus e power a minus 1 by 8 minus 3 by 4 plus 1. So I is equal to e power 4a minus by 8 minus 3 e power 2a by 4 plus e power a minus 3 by 8. So finally 1 by 8 if you take common, e power 4a minus 1 by 8 we take now 4 into 2, so 2 into 3, 6 a power 2a plus 8 e power a minus 3, that is I is equal to.
Yes, sir.
Got the point?
Got it.
Got it? Next question. Next question, little bit difficulty level we are going. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to a sine theta. Integral 0 to a square minus r square by a r dr d theta into dz. Fine. Now, first step, I is equal to integral theta. Theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Integral r is equal to 0 to a sine theta. So integral z is equal to 0 to a square minus r square by a r dz dr into d theta. So integral theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2. So integral r is equal to 0 to a sine theta. So r of z is equal to 0 to a square minus r square by a dr into d theta. So integral theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Integral r is equal to 0 to a sine theta r into a square minus r square by a into dr into d theta. We can write then 1 by a take a common. Integral theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2, and now a square into r square by 2 of 0 to a sine theta minus r power 4 by 4 of 0 to a sine theta into d theta is equal to 1 by a. Integral theta is equal to 0 to,
Sir, 1 minute.
yes, Are you writing?
No, sir. I'm just. Yeah. Okay. I got it.
You got it, right? Direct step, I make it over there. Into d theta. Just substitute it. On the place of 0 to a square sin square theta, r square means a square sin square theta by 2. And completely. And minus 0 means that will be 0 only. So eliminated. It came here. Now, as you know that integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power n theta d theta n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So on that case, I is equal to 1 by a power 4 by 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus a power 4 by 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2, which is equal to pi a power 4 by 8 into 1 minus 3 by 8. So once we can solve it, 5 pi a power cube by 64. So finally I is equal to 5 pi a power cube by 64. Got the point? Can we go ahead?
Sir, this
Yes.
sine power n theta is the formula. Just one more.
N minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2, so on 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So when it is possible, if n is even, if n is odd, again problem will come. N is even only.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Yes. Next. Next, integral 0 to 4, integral 0 to 2 root z. So integral 0 to square root of 4z minus x square dy dx dz. I is equal to integral z is equal to 0 to 4, integral x is equal to 0 to 2 root 2, integral y is equal to 0 to square root of 4z minus x square into dy dx into dz. Now integral z is equal to 0 to 4, integral x is equal to 0 to 2 root 2. Here y of 0 to square root of 4z minus x square into dx dz. Integral x is equal to 0 to 2 root 2 dx dz. Now you know 4z is equal to a square, 2 root z is equal to a. So I is equal to integral z is equal to 0 to 4, integral x is equal to 0 to a square root of a square minus x square into dx into dz. So integral z is equal to 0 to 4 square root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. So x is equal to 0 to a into dz. That is equal to integral z is equal to 0 to 4 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse 1 minus sin inverse 0 into dz. Pi by 2 integral z is equal to 0 to 4 2z into dz. So pi by 2 into z square 0 to 4 we can apply. So pi by 2 into 16 minus 0, which is 8 pi. So I is equal to 8 pi. Got the point? Any doubt?
Hello.
Yes, please.
No doubt, sir.
Yes, correct. I'll go for the next question. I guess neatly you are understanding step by step.
Yeah, sir.
Integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 minus x, integral 0 to 1 minus x minus y into dz dy dx by 1 plus x plus y plus z whole square. Sorry, whole cube. In this case, I is equal to integral, the first one is here x, right? So x is equal to 0 to 1. Integral y is equal to 0 to 1 minus x. Integral z is equal to 0 to 1 minus x minus y. dz dy dx by 1 plus x plus y plus z whole cube. Now integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Integral y is equal to 0 to 1 minus x. Here 1 by x. Integral 1 by x minus 1 by x square. On that case means x cube, right? 2x square. So 1 plus x plus y plus z whole square. Limits we can apply 0 to 1 minus x minus y into dy dx. Now integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Integral y is equal to 0 to 1 minus x minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x plus y whole square into dy into dx.
Sir, just 1 minute.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Little bit direct step I'm doing, but not entirely. Y is equal to 0 to 1 minus x dx. Now integral so and so. Okay, on the y place upper limit minus lower limit, first you substitute. X is equal to 0 to 1 minus 1 by 8 of 1 minus x minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 dx. X is equal to 0 to 1 minus 3 by 8 plus x by 8 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 into dx minus 3x by 8 plus x square by 16 plus half log into x plus 1 of x is equal to 0 to 1. Now minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 2 log 2 is equal to minus 5 by 16 will come plus log root 2 will come. So finally I is equal to log root 2 minus 5 by 16. This is.
Sir, if log and constant come, we have to swap the places.
Which one?
In the final answer, minus 5 by 16 plus
Huh?
log 2. We have to write it in the other order.
Log?
Do we have
Actually,
to write log first?
half log 2, generally that will be square 2 because 2 power half. 2 power half means half log 2 will come. Got the point? So this is okay, minus 5 by 16. But half log 2, what you can do? Log 2 power square root 2 you can write it because 2 power half, na?
Yeah.
2 power half in the sense of square root 2. That is the way log square root 2 we taken.
Yeah, this small confusion I got.
Yes.